This is number 5, Palmerstown Park, Kennelsford Road, Palmerstown, Dublin 20. It's a lovely, fully refurbished 3-bedroom home with side entrance and lots of features, including a new gas central heating boiler, which has only been replaced about a year ago. And it also has double glazed UPVC windows, and the wooden flooring has been only sanded and lacquered only this month, very recently. So it's refurbished, repainted. There's a new bathroom suite, and the appliances in the kitchen are only 1 year old. So we have the living room here, again all repainted. We have an inner hall here with some understairs store there. So going on into the kitchen and diner. The dining room has been extended at the time of construction when these houses were built, and you've got the kitchen there with some new appliances. Oh, they're only a year old. Then you're going into the utility room here. Gas central heating boiler is there. So the dining room here, again newly sanded floor, looking out onto the patio. So a very easily maintained home. So going on upstairs then, we've got a new carpet. Feels quite plush. The main bedroom faces the front and has wardrobes there, laminate flooring, and master ensuite. Toilet, wash hand basin and shower with electric shower. Your hot press there with factory lagged copper hot water cylinder. Main bathroom, again a new suite. It's all spanking new. New tiling. This is the second bedroom, facing the rear, overlooking the rear garden. And wardrobe, again laminate flooring. Into the third bedroom then, also faces the rear. So all in all, a lovely refurbished home. It's been carefully looked after. Just going out to the back then to have another look at the garden. You've got your side entrance there, which is very useful. So that's number 5, Palmerstown Park, Palmerstown, Dublin 20, just adjacent to Palmerstown Shopping Centre and SuperValu.